Hello, everyone. Have you ever imagined waking up every morning feeling energized, focused, and ready to start on the day? Now, think the opposite tired, unfocused, and constantly battling exhaustion. What if I told you that the difference between these two worlds comes down to one simple thing? What can I do to improve my overall well being? And what are some actions I can take? Because food isn't just something you put in your mouth, it's information. Every bite you take sends signals to your body telling it how to function. The right foods can improve your brain thinking, mood, and even help you live longer. The wrong ones, well, they can do just the opposite. Today we're diving into the incredible benefits of a balanced diet, not just for weight loss, but for your overall mood and well being. Because when you feed your body the right way, you don't just survive, you live fully. And you're probably wondering, what are the wrong ones and what does she mean with that? Well, there are the little treats that everyone likes to have when they're feeling sad, tired, or just constantly craving them. The sugary snacks, the fatty fast food, the processed food, so easy to grab, yet so powerful in shaping how we feel, they give us that rush and temporary high moment of satisfaction. But have you ever stopped to ask yourself what happens next? Well, that quick moment of energy completely disappears. The crash comes. You feel exhausted, tired, maybe even hungrier than before, constantly craving food without needing. And so the cycle keeps repeating. But it's a balanced diet isn't about restriction. It's not about counting calories or regretting your foods forever. It's about giving your body the nutrients that it actually needs, such as protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats, and much more. Can you imagine waking up with real energy, not just drinking coffee the whole day? Now think the other way. Confident, ready, not because of an energy drink, but because your body is truly fueled the right way with what it actually needs. Science proves that the food we eat automatically affects our brains in seconds. Omega 3, found in fish, can improve with memory and focus. Leafy greens, packed with vitamins, steady energy without the crashes. And so, whole grains, fruits, nuts, and healthy fats too. On the other hand, excessive processed food, such as unhealthy snacks, candy, can lead to laziness, exhaustion, and even long term health issues. Now, think with me. When you feed a plant the right way, such as watering with water and the light from the sunlight that's neutral, what happens? It goes strong and well developed. Now, can you imagine feeding it with soda? What happens? It suffers. Well, our bodies work exactly the same way. So, I challenge you. What's one small change you can make today? Could you swap out candy and unhealthy snacks for something rich in fiber? Could you add just one more serving of vegetables to your meals? Because these small changes build up over time, leading to a healthier, happier you. Additionally, eating well isn't just about living longer. It's about how do you want to feel. So we've seen how food isn't just something that we eat. It's something that shapes us. It fuels our bodies, changes our moods, and even decides how we feel every single day. The choice isn't just what's on your plate, it's about how do you want to feel. Now imagine yourself a year from now, a month from now. How would you want to feel? Tired and unfocused, or confident, ready, and constantly thinking on what I'm doing tomorrow? The good news is you have the power to decide whether you want to be a better you that takes conscience on what they're doing, or someone who doesn't really care whether the food they eat is good or bad for them. So I'll leave you with this question. If our bodies could talk, what would it say about the way we feed it? Because at the end of the day, the best investment you can make isn't in a diet, it's in yourself. And that starts with your next bite. Thank you.